Hello everyone, welcome back to Botany. This is Photosynthesis MCQ Series 4 where we will practice important MCQ question on a dark reaction of photosynthesis, that is Calvin cycle or C3 cycle, that are highly useful for competitive exam and university test. So grab your pen and notebook and let's test your knowledge on photosynthesis. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Botany for more such practice section. Let's begin. Question number 1. Light reaction produces assimilatory power in the form of option A ATP, NADH2, option B ATP, NADPH2, option C NAD, option D NADP. The correct answer is option B ATP and NADPH2. The next question number 2. Assimilatory power refer to option A generation of ATP and NADPH2, option B reduction of carbon dioxide, option C splitting of water, option D disintegration of plastic. The correct answer is option A generation of ATP and NADPH2. The next question number 3. Find out the connecting link between light reaction and dark reaction. Option A RUBP, option B PEP, option C ATP and NADPH, option D carbon dioxide. Correct answer is option C ATP and NADPH. The next question number 4. Biosynthetic phase is also known as option A dark reaction, option B light reaction, option C photochemical phase, option D light dependent phase. Correct answer is option A dark reaction. The next question number 5. The biosynthetic phase of photosynthesis is option A directly dependent on the presence of light, option B directly dependent on the product of the light reaction, option C only depend on carbon dioxide and water, option D not dependent on ATP and NADPH. The correct answer is option B directly dependent on the product of light reaction. The next question number 6. Biosynthetic phase of photosynthesis. Option A involves use of ATP and NADPH to form food. Option B continuous for a long time if light is unavailable. Option C occurs in thylakoid only. Option D depends on light directly. The correct answer is option A involves use of ATP and NADPH to form food. The next question number 7. Dark reaction consists of option A C3 cycle, option B C4 cycle, option C CAM cycle, option D all of these. The correct answer is option D all of these. The next question number 8. During the dark reactions of photosynthesis, option A water splits, option B carbon dioxide is reduced to organic compound, option C chlorophyll is activated, option D stable C6 sugar is broken into 3 carbon sugar. The correct answer is option B. Carbon dioxide is reduced to organic compound, that is glucose. The next question number 9. ATP and NADPH2 possesses the assimilatory power for the reduction of carbon dioxide to dash during the dark reaction of photosynthesis. Option A glucose, option B sucrose, option C fructose, option D maltose. The correct answer is option A glucose. The next question number 10. Dark reaction of photosynthesis occur in option A granule thylakoid membranes, option B stromal lamella membranes, option C stroma outside the photosynthetic lamella, option D periplastidial space. The correct answer is option C stroma outside photosynthetic lamella. The next question number 11. Biosynthetic phase or dark reaction of photosynthesis is option A production of assimilatory power, option B reduction of carbon to carbohydrate, option C assimilation of carbon dioxide, option D both 2 and 3. The correct answer is option D both 2 and 3, that is reduction of carbon to carbohydrate and assimilation of carbon dioxide. The next question number 12. Dark reaction of photosynthesis is option A Hill reaction, Option B, Calvin cycle. Option C, cyclic photophosphorylation. Option D, non-cyclic photophosphorylation. The correct answer is option B, Calvin cycle. Next, question number 13. Identify the correct sequence of stages of Calvin cycle. Option A, reduction, carboxylation, regeneration. Option B, carboxylation, regeneration, reduction. Option C, carboxylation, reduction, regeneration. Option D, reduction, regeneration, carboxylation. The correct answer is option C, carboxylation, reduction, then regeneration. The next question number 14. The first step in dark reaction of photosynthesis is option A, formation of ATP, option B, attachment of carbon dioxide to a pentose sugar, option C, excitement of an electron of chlorophyll by photon of light, option D, ionization of water. The correct answer is option B, attachment of carbon dioxide to a pentose sugar. The next question number 15. Carbon dioxide combined with RuBP in presence of enzyme Rubisco to form 3-PGA. This process of Calvin cycle is included under option A, carboxylation, option B, oxygenation, option C, reduction, option D, regeneration. The correct answer is option A, carboxylation. The next question number 16. Carbon dioxide joins the photosynthetic pathway during option A, light reaction, option B, dark reaction, option C, photosystem 1, option D, photosystem 2. Correct answer is option B, dark reaction. The next question number 17. In the process of Blackman's reaction of photosynthesis, option A does not require light energy. Option B requires light as well as darkness. Option C takes place only in darkness. Option D takes place more rapidly in darkness. The correct answer is option A, does not require light energy. It is independent of light, but it depends upon the product of light, that is ATP and NADPH2. The next question number 18. In photosynthesis, in chloroplast, dark reaction occur in option A, granulamella, option B, stroma, option C, stroma lamella, option D, thylakoid. The correct answer is option B, stroma. The next question number 19. In photosynthesis, hydrogen is transformed from the light reaction to the dark reaction by option A, DPN, option B, ATP, option C, DNA, option D, NADP. The correct answer is option B, option D, NADP. The next question number 20. In photosynthesis, the energy formed is transformed in the form of option A, ADP, option B, AMP plus ADP, option C, NADP plus ATP, option D, ATP. The correct answer is option D, ATP. The next question number 21. The dark reaction in photosynthesis is called so because of it, option A, can occur more rapidly at night, option B, does not require light energy, option C, cannot occur during daytime, option D, can occur only in shade. The correct answer is option B, does not require light energy. The next question number 22. Which of the following occurs during dark phase of photosynthesis? Option A, hydrogen is released. Option B, ATP is produced. Option C, molecular oxygen is released. Option D, PGAL is synthesized. The correct answer is option D, PGAL is synthesized. That is phosphoglyceric aldehyde is synthesized. The next question number 23. Calvin cycle is option A, dependent on light. Option B, not dependent on light. Option C, occur in light. Option D, occur in dark. The correct answer is option B, not dependent on light. The next question number 24. The primary receptor during carbon dioxide fixation in C3 plants is option A, ribulose bisphosphate, option B, 3-phosphoglyceric acid, option C, phosphoenol pyruvate, option D, triose phosphate. The correct answer is option A, ribulose bisphosphate. It is a most important MCQ. The next question number 25. Which of the following enzymes is used for carboxylation of RUBP? Option A, phosphopentokinase. Option B, peroxidase. Option C, ribulose bisphosphate carboxylase. Option D, carboxymutase. The correct answer is option C, ribulose bisphosphate carboxylase. The next question number 26. In photosynthesis, dark reaction or Blackman's reaction is option A, enzymatic and occur in absence of light. Option B, non-enzymatic and occur in absence of light. Option C, enzymatic and independent of light. Option D, none of the above. The correct answer is option C, enzymatic and independent of light. The next question number 27. Main credit for investigating the sequence of dark reaction of photosynthesis goes to Nobel laureate. Option A, Rubin and Kamen. Option B, Melvin Calvin. Option C, A. Benson. Option D, J. Basham. The correct answer is option B, Melvin Calvin. The next question number 28. The initial enzyme of Calvin cycle is option A, ribulose 1,5 bisphosphate carboxylase. Option B, triose phosphate dehydrogenase. Option C, phosphopentokinase. Option D, cytochrome oxidase. The correct answer is option A, ribulose 1,5 bisphosphate carboxylase. That is Rubisco. The next question number 29. Ribulose bisphosphate carboxylase oxygenase, that is Rubisco, is located in option A, mitochondria. Option B, Golgi body. Option C, peroxisome. Option D, chloroplast. The correct answer is option D, chloroplast. The next question number 30. Calvin cycle is investigated by the use of option A, carbon 14. Option B, oxygen 16. Option C, carbon 12. Option D, oxygen 18. The correct answer is option A, carbon 14. The next question number 31. The first stable product of photosynthesis in C3 plant is option A, 3-phosphoglyceric acid, that is 3-PGA. Option B, dihydroxyacetone phosphate. Option C, fructose 1,6 diphosphate. Option D, ribulose 1,5 diphosphate. Correct answer is option A, 3-phosphoglyceric acid, that is 3-PGA. This is most important MCQ. The next question number 32. Ribulose bisphosphate carboxylase enzyme catalyzes the reaction between option A, carbon dioxide and ribulose 1,5 bisphosphate, that is RUBP. Option B, oxaloacetic acid and acetyl coenzyme A. Option C, PGA and dihydroxyacetone phosphate. Option D, ribulose diphosphate and phosphoglyceraldehyde. The correct answer is option A, carbon dioxide and ribulose 1,5 bisphosphate. The next question number 33. First stable product of dark reaction in C3 plant is option A, PP. Option B, PGA. Option C, RUBP. Option D, oxaloacetic acid. The correct answer is option C, PGA. The next question number 34. During photosynthesis, when PGA is changed into PGAl, which of the following reaction occur? Option A, oxidation. Option B, hydrolysis. Option C, electrolysis. Option D, reduction. The correct answer is option D, reduction. The next question number 35. During dark reaction, for fixation of carbon, the 3 carbon atom of each molecule of 3-phosphoglyceric acid are derived from option A, RUBP only. Option B, carbon dioxide only. Option C, RUBP plus carbon dioxide. Option D, RUBP plus carbon dioxide plus PP. The correct answer is option C, RUBP plus carbon dioxide. The next question number 36. Radioactive isotope of carbon-14 was discovered by option A, Rubin and Kamen. Option B, Melvin Calvin. Option C, A. Benson. Option D, none of the above. The correct answer is option A, Rubin and Kamen. The next question number 37. Which one of the following is represented by Calvin cycle? Option A, photophosphorylation. Option B, oxidative carboxylation. Option C, reductive carboxylation. Option D, oxidative phosphorylation. The correct answer is option C, reductive carboxylation. The next question number 38. In C4 plants, Calvin cycle, option A, occur in stroma of bundle sheath chloroplast. Option B, occur in mesophyll chloroplast. Option C, occur in grana of bundle sheath chloroplast. Option D, does not occur as carbon dioxide is fixed mainly by PEP and no carbon dioxide is left for Calvin cycle. The correct answer is option A, occur in stroma of bundle sheath chloroplast. The next question number 39. For each molecule of glucose formed in plants, the number of molecules of ATP and NADPH2 required are respectively option A 12 and 18, option B 18 and 12, option C 15 and 10, option D 33 and 22. The correct answer is option B 18 and 12. 18 ATP and 12 NADPH2 are required. The next question number 40. The first visible product of photosynthesis is option A starch, option B glucose, option C fructose, option D sucrose. The correct answer is option A starch. In photosynthesis, glucose is formed initially, but later it converted into starch, and starch is the first visible product. The next question number 41. How many turn of the Calvin cycle produces one molecule of hexose? Option A 2, option B 6, option C 4, option D 8. The correct answer is option B 6. The next question number 42. In a dark reaction of photosynthesis, assimilatory power, that is NADPH and ATP, is used in option A carboxylation of RUBP to 3-PGA, option B reduction of 3-PGA to 1,3-bis-PGALD means 1,3-bis phosphoglyceraldehyde, option C phosphorylation of 3-PGA to 1,3-bis-PGA, option D all of the above. The correct answer is option B reduction of 3-PGA to 1,3-bis phosphoglyceraldehyde. The next question number 43. Calvin cycle is also known as option A C4 pathway, option B reductive pentose phosphate cycle, option C PCR pathway, that is photosynthetic carbon reduction pathway, option D all of the above. The correct answer is option D all of the above. The next question number 44. First stable product of the dark reaction of photosynthesis is option A 3-PGA, option B 3-PGAL, option C 1,3-bis-PGA, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option A 3-PGA. The next question number 45. Which of the following green algae were used by Melvin Calvin in his experiment to determine the sequence of dark reaction of photosynthesis? Option A chlorella and Scanadesmus, option B chlorella and Chlamydomonas, option C chlorella and Eolothrix, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option A chlorella and Scanadesmus. The next question number 46. Which of the following phosphorylated sugar is not involved in Calvin cycle? Option A ribulose 5-phosphate, option B erythrulose 4-phosphate, option C gyrulose 5-phosphate, option D erythrose 4-phosphate. The correct answer is option B erythrulose 4-phosphate. The next question number 47. As a result of photosynthesis, hexose sugar are formed which are often converted into sucrose and starch in option A cytosol and chloroplast respectively, option B chloroplast and cytosol respectively, option C in cytosol only, option D in chloroplast only. The correct answer is option A cytosol and chloroplast respectively. The next question number 48. Calvin cycle occur in option A cytoplasm, option B glycosome, option C chloroplast, option D mitochondria. The correct answer is option B chloroplast. The next question number 19. How many PGL molecule would regenerate 15 RUBP? Option A 30, option B 25, option C 15, option D 20. The correct answer is option A 30. For regeneration of 1 RUBP, 2 PGL molecule is required. The question is to regenerate 15 RUBP, how many PGL required? The answer is 30. The next question number 50. How many ATP molecules are generated in Calvin cycle? Option A 18, option B 12, option C 6, option D 0. The correct answer is option D 0. How many ATP molecules are generated in Calvin cycle? There is no generation of ATP. There is only the use of ATP. So 18 ATP molecules are used in Calvin cycle. The next question number 51. How many ATP are required for regeneration of RUBP in one Kelvin cycle? Option A 6 ATP, option B 1 ATP, option C 3 ATP, option D 12 ATP. The correct answer is option B 1 ATP. The next question of 52. Regeneration of each RUBP in C3 cycle require option A 1 ATP, option B 6 ATP, option C 1 ATP and 1 NADPS2, option D 3 ATP and 2 NADPS2. The correct answer is option A 1 ATP. The next question of 53. Calvin cycle involves option A oxidative carboxylation, option B reductive carboxylation, option C oxidative decarboxylation, option D reductive decarboxylation. The correct answer is option B reductive carboxylation. The next question of 54. High carbon dioxide compensation point is found in option A C3 plant, option B C4 plant, option C CAN plant, option D lichen. The correct answer is option A C3 plant. The next question number 55. Rubisco is enzyme for option A regeneration of RUBP, option B photolysis of water, option C carbon dioxide fixation, option D all of the above. The correct answer is option C carbon dioxide fixation. The next question of 56. Most abundant enzyme is option A catalase, option B Rubisco, option C nitrogenase, option D invertase. The correct answer is option B Rubisco. The next question of 57. The dual activity of Rubisco is found in option A maize, option B sorghum, option C sugarcane, option D wheat. The correct answer is option D wheat. The next question of 58. Rubisco is option A RUBP carboxylase, option B RUBP oxygenase, option C RUBP carboxylase oxygenase, option D RUBP carboxy dismutase. The correct answer is option C RUBP carboxylase oxygenase. The next question of 59. The enzyme Rubisco has option A more affinity for carbon dioxide than for oxygen, option B more affinity for oxygen than for carbon dioxide, option C equal affinity for both, option D more affinity for sugar than for carbon dioxide. The correct answer is option A more affinity for carbon dioxide than for oxygen. The next question number 60. Which of the following element is cofactor or activator for Rubisco? Option A zinc, option B copper, option C magnesium, option D molybdenum. The correct answer is option C molybdenum. Molybdenum ion and red light is required to activate the Rubisco enzyme. The next question was 61. The essential element that activate enzymes Rubisco and Pepco also option A needed in the activity of pyruvic acid decarboxylase, option B helps in carbohydrate translocation, option C essential for water splitting reaction, option D forms constituent of phytol tail of chlorophyll. The correct answer is option A needed in the activity of pyruvic acid decarboxylase. The next question number 62. Rubisco is the most abundant enzyme in the world and present in very high concentration in chloroplast. It is required in very high concentration for photosynthesis because it option A is a very slow acting enzyme, option B also acts as an oxygenase, option C catalyzes a reversible reaction, option D is degraded very rapidly. The correct answer is option A is a very slow acting enzyme. The next question of 63. In C4 plants, Calvin cycle enzymes are absent in option A mesophyll chloroplast, option B bundle sheath chloroplast, option C guard cell chloroplast, option D epidermal chloroplast. The correct answer is option A mesophyll chloroplast. The next question number 64. PGA is reduced through option A NADPH2, option B FADH2, option C CoA coenzyme A, option D coenzyme Q. The correct answer is option A NADPH2. The next question was 65. Dark reaction is traced by option A X-ray, option B oxygen 18, option C carbon 14, then option D phosphorus 32. The correct answer is option C carbon 42. The next question number 66. Nobel Prize was awarded to the scientist for discovering the pathway of carbon assimilation. Option A Watson, option B Krebs, option C Calvin, option D Parnas. The correct answer is option C Calvin, Melvin Calvin. The next question number 67. Calvin cycle operate in option A C3 plant, C4 plant and CM plant. Option B C3 plant only. Option C C4 plant, CM plant only. Option D, C3 and C4 plant only. The correct answer is option A, C3 plant, C4 plant and CM plant. The next question number 68. Calvin cycle lead to reduction of option A, carbon dioxide, option B, oxygen, option C, RUBP, option D, RUMP. The correct answer is option A, carbon dioxide. The next question number 69. For the synthesis of one glucose molecule, the Calvin cycle operates for option A 2 times, option B 4 times, option C 6 times, option D 8 times. The correct answer is option C 6 times. The next question number 70. Number of carboxylation occur in Calvin cycle is option A 0, option B 1, option C 2, option D 3. The correct answer is option B 1. The next question number 71. For reduction of one molecule of carbon dioxide, how many ATP and NADPH are used? Option A 2 ATP and 2 NADPH, option B 2 ATP and 2 NADPH, option C 3 ATP and 3 NADPH, option D 3 ATP and 2 NADPH. The correct answer is option D 3 ATP and 2 NADPH. The next question number 72. The Calvin cycle reactions. Option A produce carbohydrate. Option B convert solar energy to mechanical energy. Option C regenerate of RUBP. Option D both A and C. The correct answer is option D both A and C. That is produce carbohydrate and regenerate one RUBP. The next question number 73. In C4 plants, the Calvin pathway takes place in option A mesophyll cell only, option B both mesophyll and bundle sheath cell, option C bundle sheath cell only, option D cell of the vascular bundle. The correct answer is option C bundle sheath cell only. The next question number 74. The first stable compound of the Calvin cycle is option A 3 carbon compound called 1,3 biphospoglycerate. Option B 3 carbon compound called 3-phosphoglycerate. Option C 3 carbon compound called 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde. Option D 3 carbon compound called pyruvate. The correct answer is option B 3 carbon compound called 3-phosphoglycerate or 3-phosphoglyceric acid. The next question number 75. In photosynthesis, option A, ATP is formed in light reaction and glucose in dark reaction. Option B, both ATP and glucose are produced in dark reaction. Option C, both ATP and glucose are produced in light reaction. Option D, both ATP and glucose are formed in light and dark. The correct answer is option A, ATP is formed in light reaction and glucose is formed in dark reaction. The next question number 76. Primary acceptor of carbon dioxide in C3 cycle is option A 3 carbon ketose sugar, option B 3 carbon aldose sugar, option C 5 carbon aldose sugar, option D 5 carbon ketose sugar. The correct answer is option D 5 carbon ketose sugar. The next question number 77. A molecule of glucose is formed in Calvin cycle from option A 6 CO2 plus 12 ATP, option B 6 carbon dioxide plus 18 ATP plus 12 NADPH, option C 6 CO2 plus 18 ATP plus 30 NADPH. Option D, 6 CO2 plus 30 ATP plus 12 NADPH. The correct answer is option B, 6 CO2 plus 18 ATP plus 12 NADPH. The next question number 78. C3 cycle is basically a option A, carbon dioxide reduction cycle, option B, carbon dioxide oxidation cycle, option C, photochemical reaction, option D, both 2 and 3. The correct answer is option A, carbon dioxide reduction cycle. That is why it is called reductive pentose phosphate cycle. The next question number 79. C3 cycle is also known as option A, Calvin cycle, option B, Hatch and Slack cycle, option C, Craftswellian acid metabolism, option D, photorespiration. The correct answer is option A, Calvin cycle. The next question number 80. Chemical reaction that takes place during dark reaction of photosynthesis is called option A, photolysis, option B, hydrolysis, option C, binding of carbon dioxide with RUBP, option D, nitrogen fixation. The correct answer is option C, binding of carbon dioxide with RUBP. The next question number 81. The most crucial step of the Calvin cycle is option A, decarboxylation, option B, carboxylation, option C, reduction, option D, regeneration. The correct answer is option B, carboxylation. The next question number 82. Glucose synthesis occur during which stage of C3 cycle? Option A, carboxylation, option B, oxygenation, option C, reduction, option D, regeneration. The correct answer is option C, reduction. The next question number 83. The conversion of PGA to PGL during Calvin cycle is a process of option A, reduction, option B, oxidation, option C, hydroxylation, option D, isomerization. The correct answer is option A, reduction. The next question number 84. Rubisco occur in high quantity as it is option A, an oxygenase, option B, catalyzing reversible reaction, option C, degraded rapidly, option D, very slow acting enzyme. The correct answer is option D, very slow acting enzyme. The next question number 85. The mineral ion that act as an activator for both Rubisco and peptidase enzyme is option A, copper, option B, magnesium, option C, zinc, option D, molybdenum. The correct answer is option B, magnesium. The next question number 86. Identify the correct sequence of enzymes given below which participate in regeneration phase of Calvin cycle. 1. Ribulose 5-phosphate epimerase, 2. Ribulose 5-phosphate kinase, 3. Transketolase, 4. Triose phosphate isomerase. Options are option A, 4-3-1-2, option B, 2-3-1-4, option C, 1-2-3-4, option D, 3-2-1-4. The correct answer is option A, 4-3-1-2. 4-3-1-2. The next question number 87. Who provided the evidence that glucose is formed during photosynthesis and is then stored in the form of starch? Option A, Sachs, option B, Engelmann, option C, Van Nel, option D, Blackman. The correct answer is option A, Sachs. The next question number 88. In 3 turn of Kelvin cycles, gross number of PGL molecule produced at the cost of ATP and NADPH2. Option A, 3 PGL, 3 ATP, 3 NADPH2. Option B, 6 PGL, 6 ATP, 6 NADPH2. Option C, 18 PGL, 18 ATP, 18 NADPH2. Option D, 9 PGL, 9 ATP, 9 NADPH2. The correct answer is option B, 6 PGL, 6 ATP, 6 NADPH2. For 1 ton of carbon dioxide or Kelvin cycle, 2 ATP and 2 NADPH are required to generate 2 molecule of 3 PGA. Here the question is 3 turn of Kelvin cycle. That means into 3. Means 6 ATP and 6 NADPH2 are required to generate 6 molecule of PGL. The answer is 6 PGL, 6 ATP and 6 NADPH2. The next question number 89. How many turn of Kelvin cycle must occur If 9 ATP and 6 NADPH2 are utilized, giving a net gain of 1 molecule of PGL. Option A 1, option B 2, option C 3, option D 6. The correct answer is option C 3. 1 ton of Calvin cycle fixes 1 carbon dioxide molecule. 1 ton of Calvin cycle requires 3 ATP and 2 NADPH2. Here is the 3 ATP and 2 NADPH2 in 1 ton. So it required 3 ton, that means 9 ATP and 6 NADPH2 are utilized, giving a net gain of PGL molecule. The next question number 90. To form 1 molecule of glyceraldehyde phosphate in Calvin cycle, option A 9 ATP and 36 NADPH are required. Option B 6 ATP and 6 NADPH2 are required. Option C 3 ATP and 3 NADPH are required. Option D 9 ATP and 6 NADPH are required. The correct answer is option D 9 ATP and 6 NADPH are required. Glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate is a 3-carbon compound, a 3-carbon compound molecule. For a 3-carbon molecule to be synthesized, 3 ton of Calvin cycle are required, with a entry of a single molecule of carbon dioxide as each ton. Each ton of Calvin cycle consume 3 ATP and 2 NADPH molecule. Therefore, 9 ATP and 6 NADPH molecule are required for 3 ton of Calvin cycle, that will result in the formation of glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. The next question, question number 91. In the Calvin cycle, when RuBP binds with carbon dioxide, the unstable intermediate compound formed is option A 3-phosphoglycerate, option B 2-carboxy 3-keto arabinitol 1,5 bisphosphate, option C 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option B 2-carboxy 3-keto arabinitol 1,5 bisphosphate. It is a 6-carbon compound which immediately break down to 3-phosphoglycerate. 2 molecule of 3-phosphoglycerate. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel.